Hello, today I am going to be showing you how to create a book trailer in a few easy steps. Step 1 is to choose a book. You can make a book trailer for any book that you like, but try not to make a trailer on a popular book. Try to choose a book that you think is good but not many people know about. The example we are using is the book Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Step 2 is to find pictures of the book, the characters, or key events of the book. For example, if you wanted to make a book trailer on the book Diary of a Wimpy Kid, you would get a picture of the book cover, a key component like the moldy cheese, and some characters. However, you should try to be creative and act out the scenes that you want yourselves. For example, you could add a part that shows characters running from some bullies. The example trailer we made is very short, so feel free to add more things. Step 3 is to write the script. The most simple way is to make Google Slides and screenshot your text. This way you can choose what font you like and the color of the background. Step 4 is the hardest part, which is to insert everything into iMovie. If you are using a different software, then it would be a bit different from this. In iMovie, the first thing you have to do is click Create New. Click on Movie. The trailer feature does everything for you, which makes it not that fun, and there is also a very recognizable template, which makes the video seem low quality. Next, open your Finder and drag all the files that you have onto the Import Media button. Drag all of them into the bottom part afterwards, and that will become the timeline of your trailer. After you have all the images you need, move your mouse to the top right fourth, click on the third icon, the crop one, and make sure that all the text is not in Ken Burns style. Ken Burns style is when the camera is zoomed in and scrolls from section to section. This feature is very good for images, and you can fiddle around with it for the images you uploaded. But the text needs to be easy to read. If you really want to use it, you have to make sure that the start and end positions always show the entire text. Now that you've finished formatting, rearrange the images and the text to make chronological sense. The title should be at the front, and there should be an order of text, image, to provide a pacing, so that the viewer does not get confused or overdosed with information. The fifth step is to add sounds. Pick out a good background music and sprinkle in some suspenseful sound effects that make sense. The sound effects should go at the bottom section, and the background music should be right below the images. The final step is optional, which is to fiddle around with all the cool features that iMovie has. You could replace the text with animated text that iMovie provides, add image and video filters, insert some black boxes that make the viewer have to wait a bit, increasing the suspense, and it's all up to you. Have fun and remember to keep on reading. Yay!